Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving the 2023 Ford F-150 Limited, as in there. I am going to go over all the features in the vehicle, but first let's take a walk around. And yes, the vehicle's on. It's the fully hybrid engine. Alrighty. This vehicle's in the iconic silver and it's a PowerBoost. Let's pop the hood so we can see what's up under there as well. Ford does an amazing job. Take a look at that massive front end. Limited badge on the front, fully chrome, big headlamps. It's perfect. We do have a front forward camera there. Limited badging here. And look up under the hood. This is a 3.5 liter fully hybrid PowerBoost engine. Has about 430 horsepower and about 570 feet-pounds of torque. Really great. It gets about 23 miles per gallon city and highway, and a combined mileage of 23 miles per gallon, which is still pretty good on the truck. Massive bay area. Let's close this hood. Ford did an amazing job on this truck. Let's take a look at the wheels that we have here. Fronts, we have 275 by 50 rim size 22s, which is pretty nice. Nice Ford badge there. 360 camera, turn signals on your side mirrors, color matched door handles. See what we have in the rear. We have 275/50 rim size 22s as well. Nice bedding, nice lighting. I love the big limited badge on the back. It really stands out on the back of this truck. And take a look at this. Literally slowly fold down tailgate. You can still use this as a work truck, which is pretty nice. You do have zone lighting here. And we also have prong there, 2 outlets there, 120 volt and 2 more there. So we have a total of 4 120 volt charging ports there. This does have bed liner as well. Or not charging ports, outlets. What am I talking about? Still waking up, guys. Still waking up. Do have a trailer hitch receiver there. Let's take a look at the plugs we have here. Spare tires up under the truck. Ford did an amazing job. And to open the gas cap, you have a button in the front. So this is that blue leather that is nearly perfect. I really do like it. Two-tone to me. Power window. Cup holders are actually built in on the side of the truck. We have B&O sound system, which is one of the best sound systems that Ford offers. Have a lot of extra room up under here just in case you need to put any tools. You can actually shorten this out to split it in the middle. Limited stitching on the seat. I kind of wish they did this because of your back rub on it. I don't know how sturdy that is. Let's take a hop up in. Love the step rails. And wow, massive cockpit. They have heated seats for both driver and back passenger. Have a cigarette port there. USB-C and USB-A charger ports. Then we also have a 12 volt charging port there. Don't have our own climate controls. I kind of wish they would have put ventilated seats in the back, but check the armrests out. Built-in cup holders in the middle. Oh yeah, it feels pretty good. Does have a nice amount of room back here. About 6 feet, still have a great amount of room, and I actually adjusted this seat before I hopped in the back. Then take a look at that cockpit. This interior, I mean, this camera can't do no justice. Extra cup holders here. Big panoramic sunroof. I don't know why I'm not using the step rail. I mean, it's opening it up for me. Power seat with lumbar support. Limited there. Pretty nice walk-in entry. We have memory seats up to 3. Auto folding mirrors. Power windows all the way around as well. Take a look at all our gadgets here. We have zone lighting for driver mirror and passenger mirror. I can actually release the tailgate from here. Have lighting in the bed. Gas tank to open the cap there. Gonna turn the lights on and put the fog lamps on. Dimming. Pull up your emergency brake. Then we have a power tilting steering wheel. This truck is massive. So start here. You have the power fold and shifter there. Put that key back right there. And take a look at this. You can also use this as a work truck. I mean, I wouldn't want to get this truck messy. It's a nice truck. I love how they have the limited badge here with the VIN 2023 3089. All your controls for your steering wheel's here for your adaptive cruise controls, your volume, cruise control, speaking, sing tracks. Let's turn it down. 2 high, 4 low, 4-wheel drive automatic. Do have a wireless charger here, USB-A and USB-C. There, you can actually close this just like that. Nice low carbon fiber there. You have heated and ventilated seats for driver and passenger. Dual climate control. All of your climate positions and your your front frost, defrost, and then your volume button for your speakers and radio. Let's open that back up. Do have a nice little storage area there with a security code. Good amount of room in the glove compartment box. 120 volt, 120 volt. AC charger there. This vent shade does come up, and then we also have a power sliding back mirror. MSRP on this truck's around $86,000. Sunroof does open up. Enough with talking, let's get this baby on the road. Do have an extra storage up here as well. Take a look at the camera. Nice functional 360 camera on the truck. Extra change the settings here. Let's change this to my. Let's go to fuel economy. There we go. It says average 7.9. Let's just change it back to not towing. Let's put navigation up there. My home. Nah. Alright, we'll just leave it at normal. Tripping fuel. We'll just leave it at that. Do have built-in nav, but I do have my phone plugged in for Apple CarPlay. First time driving a hybrid truck. I will tell you though, I love the massive front end. Shifts really good. This truck has the 3.5 PowerBoost fully hybrid engine, and it also has a 10-speed transmission. But you get 10 different gears. And it drives and feels well. That's one thing I can say Ford did well, was building these trucks. Nicely quiet. I haven't gotten a lot of wind noise, but I haven't got up to like high speeds just yet. I love this power tilting steering wheel. We'll hop on the interstate here in a bit. You could definitely feel this power in this truck. I did have an older truck. It was an 03 Chevy Silverado 1500, and it's crazy how trucks have evolved with all the parts, the EcoBoost engines, just everything on it has changed. It's for the better. This truck feels great. Turn this heated seat down. We'll give it some gas and check out the safety features on the interstate here. Doesn't feel too heavy. The towing capacity on this truck's about 12,700 pounds. Literally feels like it could probably tow a little bit more than that. Nice view. I gotta adjust my side mirrors here. There we go. Little gas. Oh yeah, it moves. For a truck. All right, let's try out these safety features. So I'm gonna keep my lane keeping assist on. Then I'm also gonna turn on my cruise control. So now cruise control is set. I'm gonna set up to, I can set up to 4 car lengths here. We're gonna change it to 2. I'm just gonna let the truck drive. It's crazy because if I want, I can actually put the shifter down and still use it as a complete workbench, which is insane to me while I'm driving. Keep hands on your steering wheel. And the truck's actually slowing down. As you guys can see, I'm not pressing the gas, the truck is slowing down. So what it's doing is maintaining that distance between me and that car that's in front of me. Just really, really nice feature. I really like this feature because when I take trips from on the East Coast, when I'm driving, I don't have to do much braking because the car does it for me. We're gonna check out this blind spot detection as well. So blind spot in my side mirrors, let me know there's a car directly on my blind spot, and I love that it has the speed marker there to tell me the speed limit I should be going. Sometimes when you're going so fast and the vehicle feels good, you never know what speed you're going. Alrighty, let's try it. Put some audio on here. There we go. This is turned all the way up. Turn it halfway. Audio test works really great on this truck. Gonna give you a quick 0 to 60 as well. For the 60, it's pretty quick. For a 3.5 EcoBoost, let's do it downhill. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Felt great, responded great. Didn't even notice, but I was already coming up to 7th gear. This truck is just amazing. If I can afford it, I'd have it. Especially to have a hybrid truck. Alrighty. Love the step rails getting out. Let's turn these light switches off. And here goes the key fob from the truck. Then you could remote start it. And it's actually on. You may not hear it, but it's on. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video.